In this video, we are going to see how to quick login on Roblox. For this, get a quick login code on new device. Open the Roblox on your new device, select quick sign in, copy the code. We have two options. One is QR code and then one is a code. Copy the code. The second step, approve the code on your logged device. For this, you need to open up the logged device and click more option. In the left hand side, you have seen the more option. Click Open Settings and select Quick Login. Enter the code and confirm it. Copy the code and you can enter the code here for confirming and click Enter. And now you need to click Confirm Login. Once you confirm login, after a pop-up will appear, login successfully. Now the new device should automatically sign in to your Roblox account after approval. You have seen now it's automatically sign in. Once you approval after, it automatically sign in. So this is how to quick login on Roblox. Thanks for watching.